diba? It's very important. It's a simple thing, pero sobrang important yung hand washing, diba? So, today, nag-pledge kami na nangangako kami na gusto ng kamay, tuturuan yung mga kasama, save lives, whatever we do. You can actually check it out siguro sa Instagram, check mo yung Pledge Your Hands, yung hashtag yung Pledge Your Hands, Global Hand Washing Day. This event is simultaneously, happening in other countries also.
So sa ibang school ba meron din ba?
Oo, marami din kasi for the past like I think 3-4 years, they've reached siguro naturuan nila 4 million students. No? So this year, I think ang goal nila is to teach 1.5 million kids. So bisita talaga sa iba't ibang and I'm really happy to be here.
Kung marami naghihintay ng upcoming project
yes.
Or
Well, we're sinushoot pa namin ngayon yung project namin sa ABS, of course. Abangan nyo na lang yan. I can't say anything yet. Can't announce any title muna. But we have some TV series kami with Maha, of course. Alam ko na yan. And then possibly mga January siguro next year. Wala pa akong exactly, but ang alam ko lang ngayon nag-shooting kami. And of course, we're shooting Red for Cinema One. Red is an action film. And lalabas yan November 9 to 18 sa Cinema One Originals Festival.
Marami naghihintay na echo for your baby. Meron ba?
Wala pa. We'll announce it. Hindi pa yan. Puro baby talaga. Wala pa. We're very busy. Kim's very busy. She's actually flying to Paris for work. She'll be away. And alam mo yun, marami siyang gagawin eh. So, we have plans. About career namin.
Pa-invite na lang Echo para sa ato kasi naging.
Yeah, well, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you from us, of course, Vaseline Med and Unilever, and of course, sa Mandaluyong Elementary School. Please support Global Hand Washing Day. Actually, hindi lang today, but every day. So, check it out. Check yung hashtag sa Instagram. Pledge Your Hands, Global Hand Washing Day.
Thank you, Echo.
Thank you.